Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you Google Workspace versus Notion, which is better. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So let's first discuss the differences and the features that both platforms actually offer. So for Google Workspace, Google Workspace is designed by Google to enhance collaboration and productivity within teams of all sizes. It includes essential tools like Gmail, Google Drive, Docs, Sheets, Slides, Calendar, and more. So what are the things that you need to consider here? So first is real-time collaboration. So Google Workspace excels in enabling multiple users to edit documents simultaneously, leave comments, and engage in chat discussions directly within the files. This feature fosters seamless teamwork and enhanced productivity, especially in fast-paced environments where quick collaboration is crucial. Now, with Google Drive, users can securely store files in the cloud, access them from any device, and easily share them with colleagues. The ability to control access levels and collaborate on documents in real time streamlines workflow efficiency. Now, what about integration and AI-powered features? So Google Workspace leverages AI to boost efficiency through features like Smart Canvas. This AI-powered tool offers content suggestions, automates repetitive tasks, and optimizes workflow processes, and integrates seamless with other Google services, providing a cohesive ecosystem for productivity. Now, what about offline access capabilities? Now, one significant advantage of Google Workspace is its ability to work offline. Users can continue working on documents even without the internet or any internet connection, ensuring uninterrupted productivity regardless of location or connectivity status. Also, Google Workspace is renowned for its universal familiarity and intuitive design. The interface makes it easy for individuals and teams to collaborate effectively without extensive training or onboarding process. Now, what about Notion? So, Notion stands out as a versatile all-in-one workspace tool that offers extensive customization options and powerful project management capabilities. Now, what are the things you need to consider here? So, Notion allows users to create customized workspace using a block-based system. These blocks can be a text, image, database, or more, tailored to fit specific workflow preference. This flexibility makes Notion highly adaptable to the individual and team needs. Now, it excels in project management with robust database features, so users can create databases for tasks, projects, contacts, or any other information, enabling efficient organization, progress tracking, task assignment, and collaboration within the platform. Now, Notion also integrates AI to provide intelligent suggestions and automate repetitive tasks, enhancing productivity, and its expanding API automation features also allow users to create custom integrations with external applications, further streamlining workflows and data management. Now, what about the learning curve and flexibility here? So, while Notion offers extensive customization and functionality, it may require a learning curve initially. However, once mastered, its flexibility in workspace design and project management capabilities can significantly benefit teams that require tailored solutions. Now, what are the things you need to consider here when choosing between them? So when deciding between Google Workspace and Notion, it boils down to your specific needs and preference. So for Google Workspace, it is actually excellent for teams needing quick integration, real-time collaboration, and a familiar user-friendly interface. It's ideal for those who rely heavily on Google's ecosystem for communication and productivity tools. Now, Notion is best suited for users who prioritize customization, advanced project management capabilities, and are willing to invest time in mastering its more flexible interface. It's great for those who require a highly adaptable tool for organizing complex workflows and tasks. And that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.